Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Bitlocker to lock your drives. I highly suggest this route because locking folders or using WinRAR can take extra steps. I think this is a very straightforward process. So I can show you a locked drive here. If I click it, it will tell me to enter a password, and if not, I can use a recovery key. I'll show you what that looks like. To do the process, you just right click the drive and you go to turn on Bitlocker. Once you do that, wait a bit. It'll tell you to enter a password, give you certain parameters. So I'm just going to type in a generic password. I'm not going to really lock my drive today. Once I do that, it'll tell me where do I want to back up my recovery key. So I'm going to save that file. It starts with a B and a C. We're going to look at that in a bit. And then I click next. Now I want to encrypt my entire drive because I want to add files later to it, assuming. Next, and I can use a new or compatible mode that is based on your preference. So I start the encryption. Now I can cancel the encryption at any time, and in this case, let's say I close it, it'll tell me, oh, well, the encryption has started, and notice that my drive is kind of already password protected. So it hasn't protected any files yet. I can go to Manage Bitlocker, and I can do Turn Off Bitlocker. And once I turn it, it says that it may use or may take quite a while, but since I haven't really encrypted anything, it's quite fast or instantaneous, right? Now let me show you what that recovery key looks like. So the recovery key is just simply this long, I believe 48-digit code, and I can use this or my password to unlock this drive. And so I'll just unlock it for you. And voila, it's already unlocked for me to access. Now this is a 500 gigabyte drive, and you may be asking, how long did it take? I believe it took about almost the whole day, or at least I know I had to leave it on overnight. So expect when you encrypt these drives, the larger it is, like if I was using my terabyte, the longer it would take. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope it helped. Take care.